let's sit back and relax for this topic. Because my question to you is, why are you paying someone for something that you can do at home? I am a woman, baby. I love to be dolled up. When I feel better, I look better. When I look better, I feel better. I want to have my hair done. I want to have my makeup done. I want to have my nails done. Baby, I want to be fire outfit. You feel me? I want to have it all smelling good. I'm talking about baby oil with the perfume, lotion combo. You know that eats. But let's get more into depth of talking about specifically hair, lashes, and nails. Hair. Whether you are natural or you have coarse hair, more fine hair, whatever kind of hair type that you have, you need to learn how to do your hair at home. These hairstylists are charging hundreds. Sometimes it could be in 1,000 for you to go and get your hair done by them. And I'm talking about, let's say you go and get a wig installed. You gotta come with your hair washed and braided already. They are just charging to put the wig on for you, when you can put that on at home yourself. Watch a tutorial, keep practicing. You're gonna get it. As you grow older, you're going to learn as many skills as you can learn. The more you can do for yourself and for others, and make money. If you have so many skills, that gives you more job opportunities everywhere, but specifically job opportunities. So keep that in mind. Stop giving your money towards people who don't deserve it. Now, I know, even myself, I don't feel like doing my own hair. I want to be pampered. And this is really only the time when it's my birthday. Like for my birthday, yeah, I want to go get everything done by someone else if I don't feel like doing it. But also, even if it's around my birthday and I want to save some coin, I'm going to handle it myself. You can go to somebody else and you don't even like the outcome. And you could have been like, man, I could have done this by myself. Done this at home. And you ain't paid them hundreds of dollars. Like, these hairstylists are really overcharging, which the economy, everything is higher. I understand that. But let's say you're going to get some braids done. You're going to get two braids. Usually, I know hairstylists in my area, they'll charge like $10 per braid. So if I'm getting two braids, I'm going to spend $20, maybe $25. They have other hairstylists charging like $50 for two braids. So that's $25 and $25 for two braids. No, ma'am. Like, certain situations and circumstances, I can understand the price. Depending on like maybe what area you're in, or if you have hair included, if you're going to wash my hair and all that, then okay. But if I got to go pretty much prepared and you're doing the bare minimum, you're not getting my money. That's outrageous. When it comes to lashes, a lot of girls do like the lash extensions. They have become popular, especially during this time. When I was growing up in my teenage era, it was the strip lashes. Now it's lash extensions. Me personally, I still rather strip eyelashes over lash extensions. I do have my own brand, Queen Lashes. If you haven't checked it out, baby, check it out on Instagram. I sell strip lashes. I sell them because I wear them myself. Like right now, I just have on mascara. When I don't feel like having on lashes, I'm going to put on mascara. But when I want to pump it up a little bit, I'll apply my own strip lashes. I know how to do it. It's easy. It's affordable. And when I don't want to have that extra weight on my eyelids, I could just easily take them off. Versus the lash extensions, I've got them done before. I've got them done actually while I was still like selling my strip eyelashes. Like I still sell them, but I didn't have the extensions done before I started. I actually helped a girl out during me still having my own brand. And the next day they came completely off after I went to bed. Like I'm not finna sleep like I'm in my casket to keep lash extensions on. No ma'am. I should be able to sleep whichever way I want to, on my back, on my stomach, on my side, to have my lashes on. I shouldn't have to sleep a certain way. Also, you really have to have patience with getting that applied. I'm talking about you gotta be like a mannequin getting those extensions applied. Like as women, we go through a lot of stuff to look beautiful. But them lash extensions, them girls charging over $100 to apply lash extensions. And I know girls that do that like once a month. Sometimes like every 2 weeks. Like they go get the refills and all that. That is costly. Like that is too costly. Versus if you're gonna go to the hair store, or like me, other girls sell strip eyelashes. If you get them from someone who sells great quality to where you can reuse the same strip eyelashes, you're coming out way better. And you can actually keep those up better than lash extensions. You feel me? Like those girls be having those dramatic eyelashes. Whether it's strip lash extensions, the ones that look the best are more natural. It has to kind of accommodate to where if you had like a good mascara, it has to look like that. It don't have to look so like off the wall, unless that's your style. But stop giving these girls all that money. Like that's ridiculous. And you also have to watch who you go to, because that's touching your eyes. That's on your face. That's sensitive. You cannot let anybody play in your face. When it comes to nails, if I go to the nail shop, I get gel polish only. The only time I would get like acrylic nails is when I was like in high school. And if it was homecoming or prom or my birthday, all right. But other than that, I'm a real nail girly. Like my nails, this is my nails. I have on nail hardener, but like this is my real nails. My real nails grow so good and so natural to where I've got my nails done before, gel polish, and even the people at the nail salon thought that this was fake. No, this is mine, baby. And key point on that, watch those nail shops, because some of them, they'll mess up your nails on purpose for you to keep coming back. Like they'll do your nails, they might pop off or whatever for you to keep going back to spend money with them. They won't even use products for your real nails to grow, so you can continue going, get acrylic nails. I'm telling you, y'all, watch the nail shops. But if I do go to a nail shop, I'm spending no more than $40. And that's only if I'm going to do my nails and my toes. I usually just go do my toes now because my nails, I like for them to look natural. I don't mind doing my own nails at home by myself. It does take a lot of patience and you have to like put time aside to do so. But I'll do it because I have the products. I have everything I need, like the gel dryer, the nail polish, the files, the clippers. Like you can buy all that from Walmart. Even some products come from Dollar Tree. It just takes the time and patience, because those nail shops, I've actually watched a nail shop I went to. They had a Dollar General right on side of it. They would literally walk out of the nail shop, go to Dollar General and get stuff out of Dollar General for the nail shop. So that goes to tell you, like, you can do it yourself. But I'm not the type of woman to spend hundreds of dollars on nails and toes. I don't like all the extravagant diamonds, stiletto, all the different shapes and designs and colors. And I'm real simple. I'll go to the nail shop and get all white nails and toes, gel only. Like when you get older, when you look more put together, it be the simple stuff, not all that extraness. But take what I'm telling you. Do not spend your money on something that you can do at home. You can save more money and build up your skill, build up your knowledge. Because when it was COVID and everything was closed, you had to learn how to do stuff on your own. That taught a lot of people to grow out of their shell and don't depend on a job. And stay tuned, because one of my next videos, I'm going to get into do not depend on a job. You got to handle stuff on your own and know how to survive in this economy, because baby, we don't know what the future holds, but we got to start somewhere. So take what I'm saying, knock it in here, apply it, because I ain't telling nothing that ain't true. This is what I'm here for. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'm going to catch y'all on my next video.